Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some Record Store Day unboxings for Record Store Day 2020, the September 26th, drop number 2. Willie Colón, Cosa Nuestra. This is quite nice because this is actually more along the lines of an audiophile jazz, Latin jazz album. If you're not familiar with this, it's actually fantastic. A little salsa. Really, really good album. Hard to find. This is all cut from the original analog tape by Kevin Gray. This is a really, really good album. I highly recommend it. But yeah, let's take a look. Real solid, heavy tip-on jacket. Heavy cardboard. Polylined inner sleeve. My record is unfortunately cut a little bit wonky, as you could see there. But the vinyl itself looks really, really clean. There's some shavings on there from the goofy cut job, but it doesn't do any, I mean, it's minor. I'm being picky. I'll clean that puppy up in the ultrasonic. It'll sound wonderful. Yeah, good album. Might be one of the first that I play tomorrow when I get into the shop. Yeah. Don't forget, guys, all this stuff will be available on our website. 1 o'clock Eastern Time, September 26th. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.